Welcome back to How To Knots. Today, we will be doing the Noose Knot. This is number 8 in our Ashley's Book of Knots series, and it is a super fun knot. Okay, let's get right into tying it. So first off, you're going to start with the loop, just like that, and you're going to take the tail end of your rope and feed it through the loop, and then you're going to tighten up the back of the rope, just like this. Perfect. There you go. The noose. You can untie it pretty easily and adjust it by pulling the tail end of the rope. And completely undo it, just like that. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you'd like, we have the Ashley's Book of Knots in our bio. And it is also an affiliate link, so any purchases that happen on that link, all the funds from that go straight to our page and to upgrading our studio. Thank you so much, and have a great day.